It's a massive shocker from Karnataka Congress MLA KR Ramesh Kumar, followed by a half-hearted apology after Congress MLA Ramesh Kumar said when rape is inevitable, the victim should lie down and enjoy it. He delivered his version of a half-hearted apology, saying he will apologize because his comments have sparked a controversy. The MLA is also seen casually smiling during this apology that he made. Ramesh Kumar's inexplicable comments was received in laughter instead of it being opposed. This remark has women activists fuming, with them demanding Congress to suspend the MLA immediately. Congress spokesperson Randeep Surjewala has tweeted to say the party disapproves the exchange of highly objectionable and insensitive banter. This isn't the first time Ramesh Kumar has made such shocking comments about rape. In the past, he had compared himself to a rape victim. The comments raise important questions, including whether this comment has dented Priyanka Gandhi's Women First mission and if Priyanka Gandhi will in fact denounce him. Listen to some political reactions that have been coming in.
There is a saying, when rape is inevitable, lie down and enjoy it. But that's exactly the position into which you are. To own a mistake ends up in a single mistake. To deny a mistake amounts to multiple mistakes. ನನ್ನಿಂದ ಅಪರಾಧ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ತೀರ್ಮಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಬಂದು ತೀರ್ಪು ಕೊಟ್ಟುಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಕ್ಷಮೆಯನ್ನು ಕೋರ್ತೇನೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಸುಖಾಂತ್ಯವನ್ನು ಹಾಡಿ ಕಲಾಪಗಳನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋಣ.
Those gentlemen who belong specially to a particular party, one of their representatives yesterday said and made remarks about women which need to be condemned by every public representative. If you truly believe in the cause of women, first stand here and denounce that legislator.
I never expected such a statement from Ramesh Kumar. It's a shameful attitude, and I will condemn his statement.
On the floor of assembly, if such statement is made, it is not fair at all. It is not good at all. It is not in good taste.
I think it is so disgraceful and shameful for you all to trivialize what a woman goes through. It is unfortunate that these elected representatives who are supposed to be speaking up for the women of their constituencies and speak up for the women of Karnataka mock the very struggle that women have been going through to get themselves empowered and keep themselves safe.
Don't they know that rape is the most heinous, brutal violence and crime on women and their bodies? Why should this man continue to represent women?
Well, the Congress MLA's shocking rape remarks are made in the very day that the country remembered the brutal gang rape of Nirbhaya. Here's what Nirbhaya's father had to say.
जो व्यक्ति असेंबली में बैठ कर ये बात कह सकता है, तो हमारे समझ में तो यह कि कांग्रेस का नेता नियुक्त इसीलिए हो रहा है ना, ऐसे लोग बैठे हुए हैं तो उनको दूर दूर तक दिखाई नहीं दे रहा कि हम कहाँ पे खड़े हैं. आज असेंबली में बैठे हैं, कल उतर जाएंगे तो उनको सब पता लग जाएगा. और ऐसे ही कोई भी सरकार नहीं चाहती कि हमारे राज्य में कोई दुर्घटना हो या ऐसी कोई बातें हो, लेकिन ये इतने बढ़े चढ़े लोग हैं, इतने मानसिकता के गिरे हुए लोग हैं कि क्या हमें तो नहीं सुना, क्या अपने बहन बेटियों के साथ भी ऐसे ही कहते हो कि एंजॉय किया करो. तो ये बहुत ओछी मानसिकता है और ऐसे लोगों की वजह से ही सरकारें जाती है.
Please listen to me. Whatever needs to be said, I have spoken on the floor of the House. I will not react to any of it.
I
said I will not react. I said I will not react.
Let us not.
You can't force me.
Okay, we'll just go.